Welcome to Flosum, the ultimate solution for your Salesforce data and metadata backup, recovery, and archive. With Flosum, you get a comprehensive dashboard view of all of your development and production Salesforce environments in one centralized location. Drill into an environment to start the simple process of securing your precious data. Schedule your backups to the frequency that you choose, ensuring that your data is always up to date and secure. You have full control to include or exclude metadata, binary, or big objects as needed. Receive notifications when jobs are complete, giving you peace of mind that your data is safely stored. Create data sets to fine-tune the specific data you want to target, ensuring you're only backing up what's necessary for your business as a complement to your full daily or weekly backups. Create templates for backing up or archiving, making it easy to run full backups or predefined sets with just a few clicks for data that you need backed up more frequently. Flosum's composite backup means a full backup every time in lightning fast speed, capturing the deltas of your additions, subtractions, and changes within Salesforce. And now we're thinking hours, not days. Restore all of your metadata and data from an entire org down to a single field, ensuring you can quickly recover from any data loss event. Archive your data to free up valuable space, saving time and money, while still maintaining access to your historical data when needed. With Flosum, you get speed, ease of use, and peace of mind, knowing that your Salesforce data and metadata are fully backed up, recoverable, and archived. Contact us to learn more.